Mic check, mic check. Hinay akong ano guys, signal. Try nato ning background. Ayun. We have a background and I hope madungog ninyo. Unta. Yan. So, it's been a while na nako diri na position. And yeah, nakamiss lang. Nakamiss ang kanina position diri. It's April 12. So, before I'll start my Bible sharing today for the Gospel of John, chapter 11, I'd like to greet my friend na nasa Korea, si Geraldine Bandi. Ayan. And my nephew, Andre. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to the both of you, mga palangganggang. Atong i-move kay murag di maklara akong kaanyag. Unsa kuno? I hope na ako isa ka phone para makita na ako if nag-work ba o ang background music. Unta. Okay. So far, all throughout the year, kaya wala pa man ta sa middle of the year, na ako'y 3 days missed, no? And, ayun, so, sa iloon gihapon na ako ang sarili guys, kaya di man ta perfecto. Sometimes we went through personal struggles and we have to deal with that, you know? And it's really a lot to share. Kung i-share na ko diri, so dili lang nako i-share guys. Kanang pag okay na tanan, pero kanang, yeah, I think it's part of growing up and it's part of kanang life lessons and learning. So, for I know to whom I have the struggle with and you know who you are, makaya na to ni. You know, we can do it. And we can be, I guess, at peace with ourselves. And we can be at peace with each other. Okay. So, I'll save this for my friends. Again, it's her birthday today, Geraldine Bandi Lim. Na siya sa Korea karon. I hope you will see this greetings I have now. God bless you and your family. It's been a while. Dugay na wala na ta nagkita personally. The last time it was your wedding. Nalimot ako unsa to na year, but you know how I was so genuinely happy with where you're at. So I always pray for your family diha sa Korea. God bless sa inyo.